After going deep into the concept of financial planning, its objectives and importance, today we will be focusing on the difference between financial management and financial planning. Let's recall at a glance what we have already learned. What is financial planning? Financial planning is the preparation of blueprint for the future that is related to money. How the money is to be obtained, how is it to be utilized, and how the surplus are to be disposed of. That is only the planning part. What is to be done with the money, how it is to be done. Preparation of blueprint. This preparation of blueprint includes both long term as well as short term planning. Short term planning includes the preparation of budgets for a year or so, and these budgets are further evaluated. If required, they are changed time to time. So this is short term planning. On the other hand, long term planning includes the planning for growth and investment, such as capital expenditure plans, which may range for a period of 3 to 5 years and sometimes even more. So financial planning includes both short term and long term planning. We also learned that there are twin objectives of financial planning. One is to ensure the availability of funds whenever needed. We should not fall short of funds. And second is we should not raise the funds unnecessarily. That is, there should be no idle funds, no shortage and no excess of funds. Twin objectives of financial planning. Now let's focus on what's the difference between financial management and financial planning. You have already learned the meaning of management. It includes all the 5 functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling the finances. That is financial management. We can also say that procuring or arrangement of funds from various sources. Secondly, using the funds or investing the funds in short and long term assets. And thirdly, distribution of profits or dividend. This is all included in financial management, meaning it includes 3 important aspects. Management includes 3 important aspects: arranging the funds, using the funds and disposing of the surplus. On the other hand, financial planning is just a part of this. It is just the preparation of blueprints of the future, how the finances are going to be managed. This is the thinking process. It's a mental exercise and preparation of blueprint for short as well as long term plan that is included in financial planning. So let's see now what's the aim of financial management and what's the aim of financial planning. Aim of financial management is to manage all finance related activities, whether that is arrangement, whether that is usage, whether that is disposing the surplus. On the other hand, financial planning ensures smooth operations of business by avoiding shortage or excess of funds through its twin objectives: no shortage, no excess. Fine. So now we can conclude that the scope of financial management is much wider as compared to the scope of financial planning. Now students, your homework for today. We have concluded the second most important aspect of this chapter, that is financial planning. You have to learn the meaning of financial planning, the concept, and most important, you will be learning about the twin objectives of financial planning, its importance and the difference between financial management and financial planning. On Saturday, you will be provided the written assignment. Thank you all. Have a nice day.